channel. I'm going to share my another techniques. Boxing, basic techniques. Ito yung talaga boxing ha. Okay, give me 5.
1,
Saan?
2, 3,
Down.
4, 5.
Position. Boleh boleh kan sebelah. Sebelah. Oke. Ka. Okay, so, nakapag-ensayo na rin kami at kapasakit sila. Oh, shout out sa lahat ng mga parents nila. Oh, ayan, lahat ng mga parents. Shout out nyo lahat. I'm free tutorial boxing, Muay Thai, Karate, Taekwondo, artist. So, all the student. Okay, so, oh, isa pa guys, lakas. Okay, shot. Last. 1. Saan? Baba.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay guys. Guys, mga student sila. As you guys know. Kaya, nagano'n mo pa forma nila. Anyway guys. All student. Free tutorial. Doon po sa mga girls. Pwede mag-training. Kahit nakapalda, mag-short naman kayo. So guys, no, inalog ko na guys, sa hirap ng buhay. Yung iba kasi mga parents, mga student guys, is siyempre inalaw ko na kahit kayo nakapalda, Basta may short at naka-t-shirt, pwede kayo sa race. Don't take a race. Okay, thank you so much. And again, give me 5.
1,
Saan?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you so much and see you in the next videos. Look out for my vlog.